What? They're letting the water out. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe it. We're off, nearly. Taking me an hour. Let's see what adventure comes today. See you later, boy. See you later. Go round Axie. Welcome to the ride. This is the first time out for over a month because of the non-stop rain. This is it, just being out on the road, feeling of freedom. Glory days, they'll pass you by, glory days. Looks like a year ago. And I'm going to ride over there and have a look at the lakes being full, because I don't think I've ever seen them full before in the 30 years that I've lived here. I don't know, I'll tell you when I see it, if I've ever seen it that full before. It's quite amazing how much it's rained in this month. So we're going to take a ride over to the lakes in Balsas de Guadalupe and El Chorro. And we're going to have a look at them because they're full. And if you've watched the channel before, you've probably seen the lakes before. So beautiful. Like this rock, these sheep. So beautiful. I love it. And I went to the gym this morning, then finished the gym, and then took hours getting ready to go on the bike because it seems I've forgotten how to do it. What do I need? What do I take? It's like being back to the joy of when I passed the test and that disbelief as well. It's like, really? Can I go out on the bike? Look at that. That never ever stops amazing me. Just to see the scenery. I knew you were going to do that, mister. That's why I didn't overtake you on the corner. Oh, you nearly lost your back wheel off the edge. Today we're going to ride and see the lakes because it's the first time they're full. I don't know for how long. I don't even know if I've ever seen them full. So we're going to go and explore them. And every time I come this way, it's different because different time of the year, more grass, more water, but it's always beautiful. Look at all those flowers. Just enjoy the scenery. I do. It's so lovely. nice little hill down with that mountain in front. Wow. It's like being one with God, the creator, the universe, source. There's a new bridge. Let's have a look at what the work they've done. What's going on? All new. Amazing, isn't it? You're either blown away by life or you're not. And if you're not, get out and go hiking. Go dancing, go singing, go drawing, go riding a motorbike, go doing something that makes you go, yes, this is what I want to be doing. And while you're doing that, it picks you up and then you start getting picked up by all sorts of other things. Look at that. Was it like that in the 90s? I don't know. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah. So I thought I'd answer a question I've been getting asked, which is, why did you decide to take your motorbike test at 56? So we're stopping here. That's a cool background, eh? Does that look cool or not? When I was a teenager, I wanted a motorbike. And I was like, oh, I really want a motorbike, I wanted to go out with a group of motorbikers and have fun. And I was only a teenager, so I couldn't exactly go and buy one myself. So I learnt just to get on a bike and move it forwards, and that on a bike at school. And that was about it, really. I rode it in a field once, I remember. Well, I've got a photo of me riding up a bank. And so when I left school and I wanted to take my motorbike test, I was in Channel Islands and I took out my provisional license. And then I promptly left the island. So that was that done. I went to Italy and I borrowed a bike there and I rode to work at 4 o'clock in the morning. It was only a small bike, it was a 125, and I loved that. And I thought, I'll take my test. And again, I left the country. And so it went on. And then when I came to Spain, I hit a period where I didn't really have any concept of spending on myself. Life took over, too busy. Then in my 40s, well, sadly, I actually hate to confess, but I thought I was too old. Too old, that was in the past, that was when I was young. Then in my 50s, not long ago, my husband bought a new bike. He'd ridden bikes all his life, but he hadn't had one in Spain. And he bought one, and I went on the back and I was like, I've got to check this out. So I went along to the bike shop and I said, how much would it be to take my bike test? Now, Destiny, Source, someone really helped me out because they made me misunderstand completely the answer. The answer was something like 250 euros. And I thought, oh, I'm spending 250 euros on myself. And it's nothing, of course. It costs thousands of euros to take it. But because of that misunderstanding, I was like, yes, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. It's not that much money. I can do that on myself. And once I had my first lesson, I was hooked. No way back. Doesn't matter what it costs. But if you get it, you can't let it go because it's too invigorating, too exciting, too amazing. And I love it. A year and a half ago, I took my test. No, only a year and 2 months. I took it in November. A year and 3 months. Someone asked me, why did you go for KTM? Well, the answer to that's easy. I just thought in the beginning that I wanted to be able to go on the odd track here and there. Never expected to totally fall in love. Just love going on tracks. It's so much fun. And you get to see such beautiful countryside. Look at them down there. That must be fun too. What a place to camp, eh? The water is full. Wow. Is that beautiful or is that beautiful? Stunning. So I'm not going to apologise for making the video of the same place that I've been probably on 2 other videos on my channel, because it's just so stunning, right? You can't get bored of this. And if you can, well then you get bored of everything, because this is just not boreable. I forgot to tell you, that other bank of the lake, this beautiful area, they're going to fill it, full with solar panels. Cannot believe that they haven't chosen somewhere less impactful, somewhere that isn't an area of stunning natural beauty. Can you believe it? I can't. All along that, I don't know if you can see it from there, but bummer. See, all the way along that far bank, the other side of the lake full of solar panels. Oh, I love this spot. I've got to call in there. I always call in here when I'm at the lakes. Isn't this just a beautiful place? Oh, I love this place. It's so stunning. Let's put the bike here. If you like it, blow your own mind. What can you do to blow your own mind? Even going to the gym for me was a huge hurdle. Oh my goodness, look at that. I have not seen that ever. That is so cool. That is so cool. You've got no idea what it's like to see so much water here. This is so cool to see. We've been short of water for years, and well, now we're not, I guess, for a while. What? They're letting the water out. Oh my God. I find that sad. Isn't that sad? They're not keeping it because they think they're too full. And then all those years of not having enough water. And there it goes, throwing it out to the sea. Quite beautiful though, isn't it? Yeah, it's such a shame. Makes you think, oh, can't they quickly dig another reservoir and fill that up so that when it gets dry again, they don't run out.